Hello everyone. It started raining in the morning today. It's not a very heavy rain, but it is raining non-stop nonetheless. And one of my cats is watching rain from here. She loves watching the rain. What are you doing? What are you doing? She loves watching the rain. I don't think she even feels the cold because it is very chilly right now. As you can see, there's a very strong wind. I love the wind. I'm so grateful for the wind. I know it is strange to say that you are grateful for the wind, but I just love when it is windy. Some people are scared of the wind, but I'm not. I'm so grateful. These are butterfly pea flowers. These are the blue type. We also have the white type too, but I can't reach there right now. These are anthuriums. This is a king coconut tree. Those are the king coconuts, the orange color ones. This is a banana tree, and this is called a banana bunch or a bunch of banana. I think you can see some birds in that half dead tree. I know I'm always sharing the same thing with you, but please bear with me. We will be moving soon. Hopefully. I'm sorry it gets blurred sometimes. I don't want to stay out so long because sometimes random people come to my house. It's a safe issue. We don't have a fence or a gate, and we can't afford to have one. That is the problem, or else we would have had one. Okay, then I will come back with another video very soon. Thank you so much for watching.